Yeah. Welcome to the Brown Bag. Today I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence for voice recognition and sound event detection. I will give you the introduction, what it means. The clicker doesn't work. Okay. So first, I will define what voice recognition, sound event detection is, and then I will introduce how it works, and then we are going to brainstorm ideas. So what are voice recognition and sound event detection? As name infer, like voice recognition recognizes voice. It connects voice to identity. So for example, if I speak, then machine learning algorithm connects that voice to my name, for example. And speech recognition is a little bit different. It recognizes speech and converts speech to text. So this is different. It's kind of orthogonal to the voice recognition. So combining these two, by listening my voice, the machine learning might be able to recognize that is from Kyung, and then also the speech recognition can translate my voice to words. Yeah. And sound event detection detects events based on sound, so it connects sound to identity. So in a sense that sound event detection includes voice recognition, because based on the sound, it assigns some identity. So yeah, so it includes. So yeah, can you go to the website? So this is the one of the professor in, I think, Finland. He developed, and he's working on sound event detection quite a lot. And can you play this video? And also, you push a little bit to the right side. Yeah. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, about 10-ish like categories. And by listening processing just the sound, not picture, you can see it has a sound from speech, traffic, footsteps, and it updates like on the fly. So there are multiple sources of sound, and it processes all things together. So that's the sound event detection, but it has a time axis, and also it has to process a very short period of time to understand whether the sounds from different sources. Yeah, next slide. So to understand how it works, I will give you a very easy, I think it's easy to understand. So this is function. So x is input and y is output. For example, when x is 1, then y becomes 1, right? But when x is 2, then y is 4. So there is input and output. So function connects process input to the output. For example, and you can make it a little bit complicating. In this case, y is 1 when input is bigger than certain threshold value, which is I chose like 0.25. So for this value, input value, it assigns 1, and for the value under the threshold, then it's assigned 0. So this problem becomes certain range of the input value assigned to one category, and another range of the value, the other range of value assigned to the other category. So it's a classification of the input values. So you can say y equal to 0 corresponds to like a no, and y equals to 1 corresponds to yes. So you can extend it this way into like image classification. So I will talk about why input image can be like why image can be an input. But let's say the axis, the y car was input of this function, and then this function f, which is classifier, classifies that input image as a car, airplane, bicycle. But sometimes it's not clear this is car or airplane, or bicycle or car. right? So there is a certain errors in classification. It really depends on how this mathematical model is performing well or not.